Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to stop you from sounding like a textbook and start helping you sound like a native speaker. I have collected 100 phrases that are used every single day in real life. We are going to go through the first 50 right now. I'm not just going to give you the phrase, I'm going to tell you exactly when and why to use it. Let's jump in. We'll start with the survival essentials. These are for your everyday interactions. Number one is thanks a million. Use this when a simple thank you just isn't enough. Maybe someone saved you a seat or fixed your computer. It shows you are really grateful. Number two is no worries. Please stop saying you are welcome every time. No worries is the friendly, relaxed way to respond to thank you or even an apology. Number three is I appreciate it. This is a bit more professional. Use this with coworkers or strangers when you want to sound sincere and thankful for their help. Number four is that sounds great. Use this when someone suggests a plan, like grabbing dinner, and you want to show enthusiasm. Number five is could you help me? This is the standard, polite way to ask for assistance from anyone, anywhere. Number six, imagine you are in a store. You say, I'm looking for, followed by the item name. For example, I'm looking for a white shirt. It's much more natural than asking, do you have? Number seven is, do you have the time? This is simply how you ask a stranger what time it is. Number eight is for when you are rushing. You say, I'm running late. Text this to your friend if you aren't going to make it on time. It implies you are hurrying. Number nine is, have a good one. This is the ultimate casual goodbye. You use this with cashiers, waiters, or bus drivers as you leave. And number 10 is, talk to you later. Use this to end a phone call with a friend. It signals the conversation is over, but in a nice way. Okay, let's move to section 2, socializing. This is how you start conversations without it being awkward. Number 11 is long time no see. You scream this when you see a friend you haven't seen in months or years. It shows excitement. Number 12 is how's it going? This is the most common alternative to how are you? It's casual and friendly. Number 13 is the answer to that question. Can't complain. Use this when life is okay. It makes you sound very chill and easygoing. Number 14 is what have you been up to? Use this to ask someone what they have been doing with their life since the last time you saw them. Number 15 is great for parties. How do you know, followed by the host's name. For example, how do you know Mark? It's the perfect icebreaker. Number 16 is what brings you here? Use this to ask why someone is at a specific event or place. Number 17 is a compliment. That's a nice shirt or shoes or bag. People love compliments, and it's an easy way to start talking to someone. Number 18 is, did you catch the news? Use this to bring up a current event or something popular that just happened. Number 19 is, what do you think about? Use this when you want to keep the conversation moving by asking for their opinion. And number 20 is, let's hang out sometime. Use this when you are leaving a new friend and you want to suggest meeting up again in the future without setting a specific date yet. Okay, let's move to section 3, when you are confused. Even native speakers miss words. Here is how to handle it. Number 21 is, sorry, I didn't catch that. This is the polite way to tell someone you didn't hear what they said. Number 22 is, could you run that by me again? This is a little advanced. It means, please explain that one more time. Number 23 is, what does that mean? Don't be afraid to use this. It's better to ask than to pretend you understand. Number 24 is, I'm not sure I follow. Use this during a complex explanation to signal that you are lost. Number 25 is, let me check if I understand. Use this before you summarize what they said, just to make sure you got it right. Number 26 is the light bulb moment. Oh, I get it now. Say this the exact moment you finally understand the concept. Number 27 is, that makes sense. Use this to validate their explanation. Number 28 is for when your brain stops working. My mind went blank. Use this when you suddenly forget a word or a name in the middle of a sentence. Number 29 is, it's on the tip of my tongue. Use this when you know the word, you can almost feel it, but you just can't say it. Number 30 is, never mind. Use this when you want to tell the other person to forget what you just said because it's not important anymore. Let's move to section 4, expressing feelings and opinions. Number 31 is, I couldn't agree more. Use this when you agree 100% with what someone said. Number 32 is, I'm not so sure about that. This is a soft, polite way to disagree. It's much better than saying you are wrong. Number 33 is, to be honest. Use this phrase to signal that you are about to tell the truth, even if it might be a little negative. Number 34 is, I'm exhausted. Stop saying very tired. Exhausted sounds much more natural. Number 35 is, I'm starving. Again, stop saying very hungry. Use this when you really need food. Number 36 is, I'm over the moon. Use this idiom when you are incredibly happy or excited about some good news. Number 37 is, I'm feeling under the weather. This is the standard idiom for feeling sick, like you have a cold or the flu. Number 38 is, it gets on my nerves. Use this when something is annoying you repeatedly, like a loud noise. Number 39 is, it's not my cup of tea. This is a lovely British phrasing that Americans use too. It's a polite way to say, I don't like this. Number 40 is, fingers crossed. Say this while crossing your fingers to wish for good luck. Finally, let's look at section 5, making plans. Number 41 is, are you free this weekend? The standard way to check someone's availability. Number 42 is, let's grab a coffee. This is a low-pressure, casual invitation to meet up and chat. Number 43 is, I'll pick you up. Use this to tell someone you will come to their house with your car to give them a ride. Number 44 is, sounds like a plan. Use this to confirm that you agree with the arrangements you just made. Number 45 is, I'm in. Use this short phrase to say you want to participate in the activity. Number 46 is, can we take a rain check? This is very important. Use this to cancel plans politely while promising to do it another time. Number 47 is, I have to run. Use this when you need to leave a conversation immediately because you're busy. Number 48 is, I'd better get going. This signals to the other person that you are about to leave so they can say goodbye. Number 49 is, keep in touch. Say this to someone you won't see for a long time, asking them to message you occasionally. And number 50 is, drive safe. Always say this to someone who is leaving your house in a car. It shows you care. Welcome back to part 2. If you watched the first video, you already have 50 essential phrases in your pocket. Now we are going to finish the job. We are covering the next 50 phrases that will take you from beginner to confident speaker. We have a lot to cover, including how to talk about money, how to apologize properly, and some slang that native speakers love. Let's get started with number 51. We are starting with section 6, handling problems and apologies. Number 51 is my bad. This is a very common casual slang way to say I'm sorry. Use this for small mistakes like bumping into someone or forgetting a pen. Do not use it for big accidents. Number 52 is I messed up.
Use this when you want to admit you made a mistake. It's honest and direct. Number 53 is, it won't happen again. This is the best promise you can make after apologizing. It shows you are serious about fixing the problem. Number 54 is, how can I make it up to you? This is a great phrase. It asks the other person what you can do to fix the situation. Number 55 is, no hard feelings. Use this to tell someone that you aren't angry anymore after an argument. It means don't be too upset about it. Number 56 is, don't take it to heart. Use this to comfort a friend who is sad about a criticism. It means don't be too upset about it. Number 57 is, let's drop the subject. Use this when a conversation is getting too heated or awkward and you want to stop talking about it immediately. Number 58 is, I didn't mean to. Use this to explain that your action was an accident, not intentional. Number 59 is, it was a slip of the tongue. Use this when you accidentally say the wrong word or name. And number 60 is, let's clear the air. Use this when there is tension between you and a friend and you want to have an honest talk to solve the problem. Now let's move to section 7, shopping and money. You will need these every time you travel. Number 61 is, it's a ripoff. This is the slang phrase. Use it when you think something is way too expensive and not worth the money. Number 62 is the opposite. It's a steal. Use this when something is incredibly cheap and a great deal. Number 63 is, it costs an arm and a leg. This is a classic idiom. Use it when something is extremely expensive, like a luxury car or a diamond. Number 64 is, can you give me a discount? Use this to politely ask if they can lower the price. Number 65 is, I'm broke. This is very common slang. It means you have no money right now. Number 66 is, it's on me. Use this at a restaurant when you want to pay the bill for everyone. It's a very generous thing to say. Number 67 is, let's split the bill. Use this when you want everyone to pay for their own meal. Number 68 is, do you have this in stock? Use this to ask a shop assistant if they have an item available in the store. Number 69 is, keep the change. Say this to a taxi driver or waiter when you don't want the small coins back. And number 70 is, I'm just browsing. Use this when a shop assistant asks if you need help, but you're just looking around for fun. Next up is section 8, work and productivity. These are perfect for the office or group projects. Number 71 is, let's get the ball rolling. This means let's start the project. Number 72 is, keep me in the loop. Use this to ask a coworker to keep you updated on any changes. Number 73 is, touch base. This means to make contact with someone briefly. For example, I'll touch base with you tomorrow. Number 74 is, my hands are tied. Use this when you want to help, but the rules prevent you from doing anything. Number 75 is, it's a no-brainer. Use this when a decision is so easy that you don't even need to think about it. Number 76 is, call it a day. Use this phrase when you are finished working and you want to go home. Number 77 is, burn the midnight oil. Use this when you are working or studying very late into the night. Number 78 is, get straight to the point. Use this to tell someone to stop wasting time and say the important thing. Number 79 is, we're on the same page. Use this to confirm that you and your team agree and understand each other. And number 80 is ASAP. That stands for as soon as possible. Use it when something is urgent. Now let's look at section 9, encouraging others. These are perfect for the office or group projects. Number 81 is hang in there. Use this to tell someone not to give up, even if the situation is difficult. Number 82 is you've got this. A short, powerful way to tell someone you believe they can succeed. Number 83 is look on the bright side. Use this to help someone see the positive part of a bad situation. Number 84 is whatever happens, happens. Use this to tell someone to stop worrying about things they cannot control. Number 85 is it's not the end of the world. Use this when someone makes a mistake and thinks it is a disaster, but really, it's okay. Number 86 is pull yourself together. Be careful with this one. It is tough love. Use it to tell someone to stop crying and calm down. Number 87 is give it your best shot. Use this to encourage someone to try their hardest. Number 88 is keep up the good work. Use this to praise someone who is doing a good job. Number 89 is I'm rooting for you. This means I'm supporting you and I want you to win. And number 90 is take it easy. Use this to tell someone to relax and not work so hard. We are almost there. Section 10, fun idioms and slang. Number 91 is hit the sack. This is a funny way to say go to bed. Number 92 is break a leg. Never say good luck to a performer before they go on stage. Say break a leg instead. Number 93 is piece of cake. Use this when something is incredibly easy to do. Number 94 is once in a blue moon. Use this to describe something that happens very rarely. Number 95 is spill the beans. Use this to ask someone to tell you a secret. Number 96 is bite the bullet. Use this when you have to do something unpleasant, but you just need to be brave and get it over with. Number 97 is cut to the chase. This is similar to get to the point. It means skip the boring details. Number 98 is feeling blue. Use this simple color idiom to say you are feeling sad. Number 99 is hit the books. Use this when you need to start studying hard. And finally, number 100 is that's a wrap. Use this when you are completely finished with a project, a video, or an event. And that's a wrap for us too. You now have 100 phrases to practice. Listen to this audio while you commute or cook and try to shadow my pronunciation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.